Hello my friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here today, I'm trying just to show my computer here, for the giveaway of my subscriber celebration where I've reached 7,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone for subscribing and liking my channel and, doing all the things that you do on my channel. I really appreciate all the comments and all those things. So really appreciate it. And I really enjoy, really becoming friends with everybody in this really nice, fun, enjoyable, kind community. So anyway, here we are at the YouTube random comment picker. I've got the URL in here, and we're not going to delay this to find out who is the winner. So as you can see, this is the YouTube comment picker. Let's go down. I think I've got everything I need in here. It's a little different from the last one I did, which has been a while, but I'm down here at the Get YouTube Comments, so I believe I have to click that next, and then I think I go down here next, start raffle and pick a winner. Let's see, start. Here is a button. Let's try this one. Going through. And there you go, Shenandoah Papercraft. I know she's been watching my channel, and I've watched her channel many times before, so thank you for commenting and being a subscriber to my channel. I don't even have to check her because I know she's there. Thank you so much. You have won the journal. So thank you to everyone also for commenting. I really appreciate it. I wish I had one. Wish I had a journal for everybody, but I don't. I just have one at this time. So if she would please, my email is always in my description box under my videos. It's turquoisedreamingsheree@gmail.com. Just email me your address there, and I will get that off in the mail to you. Thank you so much again for entering and just being with me, because I know she's been with me for a long time, and she's been around for a long time on YouTube. So thank you so much, and thank you all, and I'll see you in the next videos, and keep on commenting. Hopefully I'll be able to have another giveaway soon, and I hope you just enjoy crafting with me and spending time together. Thank you so much, and I'll see you then next time. Have a great day.